Hey subscribers, this is Andrew. Coming in with another video. Jenna made some chicken fried rice, guys, and I wanted to share that with you, okay? Alright, homemade chicken fried rice. Check this out. She used dark meat. Look, it's fresh, it's straight off the frying pan. Oh, okay, this is dark meat and white meat. Fresh off the frying pan. Look at these onions. Let me see if I can show this to you. Look at these onions, guys. Look at that.
That looks so good. I love homemade chicken fried rice. We also use brown rice with this white meat and dark meat chicken.
We have onions here. We have some brown rice in here. I think it needs a little bit of garlic. Let me put some garlic in here. She used salt, pepper, and some other seasonings, but Montreal seasoning. And she used Montreal seasoning. She used salt, pink Himalayan salt in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Check that out. Say hey, Jenna. They can tell your hand between my hands. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic in here because we didn't put that when we were cooking it. All right, put a little bit of garlic in here. So how you guys doing today? Hope all is well. Hope that we are meeting you guys in great health. I wonder if you guys have been practicing those meditation techniques. If you haven't, make sure you do that. It's helped me out quite a bit. I think I'll go on there soon and do another meditation video. But check out the link that's in the, it should be showing up real soon. That's the link to the meditation video. Alright, so now that we got the chicken fried rice squared away, let me taste a piece. Look at this big piece. Hold on. Jenna hates when I taste when I cook. But I gotta see what's in it. Let me put a little more onion powder in here. Hold on. There we go. I gotta see how it tastes. So I take little pieces here and there. Hold on. That's perfect. Okay. Let me move this right on out the way. Let me slide this right on over. There we go. Now this right here is a surprise, guys. This is a nice little treat that we wanted to share with you guys. Okay, what we have here is baked potato. We actually boil these potatoes. Check this out. These are boiled potatoes. And what you're seeing right here is broccoli. As you can see, this is broccoli. Onions. Turkey bacon. Gonna put turkey bacon on it. Cauliflower. And what else is in here? What else we have in here? Nope, cauliflower, broccoli, onions, and turkey bacon. Guess what we're making today? This is a treat, guys. Guess what we're making? Okay. All right, I'm gonna let you know. It's we're having loaded potatoes. Okay, loaded potatoes. All right, but the trick is today we're not going to use cheese. Okay, we're actually going to use. So this is kind of like, I don't know if this is vegetarian, but it's very healthy. Okay, we're going to use vegan cheese. All right, where's the pack? Okay, now you guys can choose any brand that you like. But today we are using Daya. I think it's called Daya. I'm not sure. But you can choose any brand that you like. But let me show you the cheese. Okay, now this is vegan cheese. All right, if you tasted this, you would not know that this is actually vegan cheese. I love this cheese so much. I'm gonna say that I like it even more than regular cheese. And this is cheddar. And I'm just gonna fold it up like this. Check that out. Break pieces apart on it. And then afterwards, guys, check this out. I'm gonna put this in the oven. Okay? So look out in the description for the recipe. Okay? And any links that you, sometimes we link a blog. If you guys would like to donate, we leave that link in there as well. Everyone who's already donated, you guys are awesome. We got a few donations. All right. And I'm just gonna break this up. Right now, I'm on my second slice of cheese. And when this melts up, guys, oh, it's gonna be good. Let me push this in because I want this to be all together. Okay. All right. Okay, let me put some more cheese on here. Oh. Okay, let me put some more cheese on here because I want this to be really, really melty. And this cheese actually, like, you know, it stretches. It's nice and creamy and melty. This is cheddar cheese, but it's not creamy like, it's creamy like American cheese, but it has the flavor of like cheddar. It's awesome. All right. Okay. All right. Let me make sure I crumble this up real fine. But when this, like I said, when this melts up, guys, this is gonna be really, really good. Really, really good. Look at this big piece right here. Let me see if I can melt that up some. Break that up some. I don't know about you. I don't know about you guys, but I like my baked potato or my loaded potato to be really, 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 really cheesy. So I'm loading this up. And I'm not gonna leave it in the oven long. I think I'm gonna leave it in for about 20 minutes because the potatoes are already cooked, okay? The potatoes are already cooked. All I want to do with this is to actually just melt this cheese, okay? And afterwards, we're probably going to leave, so check out our community section. We're going to leave a picture of these loaded potatoes in the community section. Look at this broccoli right here. Let me put that right here. Let me put that right here. All right. Put a piece of cheese over top of that. Put that in place, okay? And when this melts up, it's going to cover that broccoli. All right, and I'm going to use some Mrs. Dash in here. Let me show you this, guys. Some Mrs. Dash. Original blend, right? Seasoning blend. Okay, let me sprinkle some of that. This is no salt in it, guys. Check that out. But it's going to be so flavorful. Full of flavor. Because these are pretty thick cut potatoes, so it's going to need some seasoning. Alright. And let me sprinkle a little bit of jerk seasoning on here for the spice. That's right, I said it. I'm going to use jerk seasoning in here, guys. Hold on. Let me put some of this in my hand so I can sprinkle it on here. I want to evenly sprinkle that. Check that out, guys. So this loaded potato is going to have a little Caribbean flavor. Going to have a nice little spice to it. So it's not going to be bland. Alright. Sprinkle that over it evenly. Don't want to miss anything. Okay, we're all done. Alright, and a little more garlic on top because we love garlic here. Gotta have garlic on loaded potatoes, right? And did I put onion on here? Let me put a little more onion powder on here. Gotta have plenty of onion powder on here. Just plenty. Put some plenty on here. Alright, is this stuff coming out? Hold on. This is the fluffiest onion powder. I mean, this onion powder is actually powder. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at that. All right. Oh, gosh. All right, so we're all done. Let me hold this up for you so you guys can see this. Make sure I don't ruin this. Okay. All right, can you guys see it? All right. Now look out for this photo in the community section, okay? Guys, make sure you thumbs up.